Nenita Tomahin. Nenita Tomahin is celebrating her birthday. There we go. Happy birthday. And the next one is Helen Mercado. Happy birthday, Helen. Yan. Beautiful. We have Nati Fernand. How about Lolit Solis? Is she here? Lolit.
Yes.
Yun. Happy birthday, Lolit. We have next Antonia Garcia. Okay, next we have Perla Hipolito. Perla. Santi Perla. And next we have Elisea Sansuiz. Elisea Sansuiz. We have Corazon Vasco. Celebrating her birthday as well. Corazon Vasco. And next we have Margarita Malapitan. The next we have Doming Medina. Doming is also celebrating his birthday today. Doming Medina. Happy birthday. Next we have Ricardo Alfaro. Ricardo Alfaro. Marami tayong celebrants ngayon yun. Masaya. Next we have Frances Cantoria. Frances Cantoria is also celebrating her birthday. Happy birthday. Lady in red. Happy birthday. Okay, the next one we have Delvin Arciaga. Yay! Ayaw. Here we go. All right, and we have the last two on my list. So if I have missed anyone, please let me know. The last two on my list is Mr. and Mrs. Our very own president and her only lady, Romy Mercado, and Romy Mercado are also our June celebrants. Let's give them a welcome.
Sige na, position na kayo.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, here are your June celebrants. Let's all wish them our best wishes, many more happy birthdays to come. So now I'd like to call Dolly Olvido, our Vice President, to lead the toasting. Thanks, Dolly.
Ladies and gentlemen, guests, to our birthday celebrants, may you have love, peace, harmony, friendship. Oh, you'll have to stand up, please. Please. Okay, we're going to give them a nice toast. Okay. To all the gorgeous and beautiful
leave the hall so that, you know, all your friends and well-wishers can greet you. Thank you very much, celebrants. We wish you all the very best. Now, our format for this month's celebration is a little different. So we would usually have the dance right after the parade, but because this month we're doing a very special, and then after the intermission, we will have your dance. Okay? So thank you very much. You can go to your seats and we will have your birthday dance very shortly. So, okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite Romy Mercado and his better half, Connie, rendering Kundiman called Sapagkat Mahal Kita. So this is our special, very special number. The celebrants are serenading the celebrants as well.
Sa mga birthday celebrants na pareho namin.